Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Deezbaa from the Dead West set. She was black and white zenithally primed and gets started with Cold Corpse Blue for the bulk of her dress. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I used Burnt Umber for her hair and the boots. Getting all of the exposed skin done, I went with a base coat of Paladin flesh. For the lighter middle part of her dress and for dotting in her eyes, I used pale grey. Next up, I grabbed British Khaki and gave all of the leather and wooden parts a once over. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. Moving on to the highlights now, I used Gravestone Blue to bring up all of the tops of the folds on the blue parts of her dress. Adding some variation to the leather and wooden parts now, I went over some of the details with Manticore Ochre. Getting a highlight on the skin, I brought up all of the upper parts and the facial features with barred skin. Pushing the grey parts to be more white like the artwork, I went over them with silver grey, just leaving the darker colour in the shadows. Her hair and boots now get a quick highlight with Wasteland brown. For all of the metal parts now, I went over them with plate armour. Getting a wash on the Mini, I thinned down some Archaic Sepia wash and went over everything. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Deezbaa. I think these skins came out a little bit dark compared to the artwork, but other than that, I like how the Mini came out. Of course, in the artwork, there is a pattern on her dress, but there's no way I was going to get that freehand painted in the 20-minute mark that I'm aiming for. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, just the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.